With 5 basic ingredients you probably have in your kitchen, you can make this crunchy granola. Sit back and relax. Let's get started. The first thing you need for this recipe is apple. Grate your apple finely, and at the end you should have something that looks like this. The second ingredient on our list is coconut. If you don't know how to deshell your coconut easily, I will attach a video in the description box for that. For the coconut, you need to grate some part of it and slice the rest. All done. So right now you're going to grab a bowl, get your honey, which is the third ingredient. Measure 1/4 cup of honey and add it to your bowl. If you have watched up to this point, please do well to like the video, drop a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I drop amazing cooking recipes on here, kitchen hacks to make your cooking easy, and DIYs sometimes. Back to the recipe. In the bowl, we have honey, the coconut we grated earlier, the apples. I will advise you grate your coconut first so that the apples don't brown too fast after grating it. The fourth ingredient is oat. You can use rolled oat or this quick oat if that's what you have. I used 2 cups of oat. Give this a good mix until everything is well combined. If you want to make a large batch of this, you just have to multiply the recipe. That means you have to use 2 1/4 cups of honey for 4 cups of oat. Hope you are following and you understand. Now, once everything is well incorporated, it should look like this. You're going to set it aside and bring out your baking tray. Line with a parchment paper and spread the granola mixture on top. You have to spread it out thinly, just as you see me doing, okay? Once you are done, your pan should look like this. Do not overcrowd the baking pan. Transfer this to your oven and bake at 150 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. Halfway through, you have to bring it out and turn. If you want your granola to come out in clusters, you can turn the way I am doing. But if you don't want that, feel free to break it. You can do that by stirring vigorously. Use your spoon to just hit those clusters and they will break. Transfer back to the oven to continue baking. Please keep an eye on it. 20 minutes later, this is what I have. Our granola is ready. We can't just serve it up like this, so I'm going to use my hands to break the clusters a little so that it's more attractive and easy to eat. If you watched up to this point, you would note that we have used just 4 ingredients so far in the making of this granola. It's time to add the 5th ingredient, which is dried fruit. You can mix any dry fruit of your choice into the granola once the granola is no longer hot. I mean, it should be completely cooled before you mix that in. And yeah, that's how you make 5 ingredients, simple and delicious homemade granola. Is this something you would love to try? Just let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed watching this video, comment thank you. As always, I will see you in my next video, and thanks for watching. Bye.